Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to chat quickly about List Perfectly. And if I had seen a visual representation like this or seen a video like this, I don't know, a year and a half ago, I probably would have jumped on this bandwagon sooner and probably could have tripled my reseller income and just made my life a heck of a lot easier. So I'm a part-time reseller. I 20 years ago, I'm showing my age, started selling on eBay. That's how I paid my way through college. Then I had a family and kids and, sold on Facebook here and there. And 3 years ago, I started selling on Kidizen. That was the only place I listed my items. And I did very well for the first 2 years. Last year, early in the year, I decided to start cross-posting to PoshMark and Mercari. And cross-posting, if you take one item and you do the copy and pasting and you do it manually on all these platforms, I would say if you are fast, it takes a good 5 to 7 minutes to cross-post one item, maybe even longer. It just depends. So, and it's a lot of work and going back and forth. And when it comes to relisting, if you are a reseller, you know that relisting your items is just part of the game. So it is taking screenshots, diminishing the quality, of course, time after time, and copying and pasting and all of the things. So I knew that there were apps out there or programs that could help you with your cross-posting. But number one, I'm cheap. I didn't want to spend the money. Number two, I'm not the most techie person. And most importantly, and this is where my hang up was, so maybe this is your hang up, I do my business from my phone. Okay, I am not a full-time reseller. This is kind of my fun little hobby. And I don't want to have to upload pictures to my computer and list items from my, I thought it was this whole extra process. Okay, I want to use my phone, snap my pictures of my item, upload my item, and call it a day. Well, I was talking to some of my awesome reselling friends and they were like, no, girl, you can upload to one platform and easily use List Perfectly to put on all your other platforms. So, I said I'm doing Kidizen, Mercari, PoshMark. I also list some things on eBay. I know some people love eBay. It just takes longer even using List Perfectly. And so I'm not even including that in this because I don't know, I'm not having the best luck over there because I don't spend my time over there. Where you spend your time, that's where you're going to make the sales. We know this to be true. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to screen share and show you guys. I just 2 minutes ago listed a brand new item to Kidizen from my phone. What I'm going to show you, you could have listed it on Mercari or PoshMark and start from there as well. So for this purpose, I have an item put on Kidizen. Now officially share my screen. Sorry for the little delay. Okay, so I am in my Kidizen shop, okay? I just literally went to kidizen.com, signed in. So you will have to be signed in to all of your platforms. This is after you sign up for List Perfectly and you do the initial setup, okay? It's a plugin, that's what it is. So I literally have not been back to the List Perfectly website since the day I signed up for it. So I am in my shop. I'm going to sort by newest because I just uploaded an item. Okay, so here, these Bionics are what we're gonna use as an example. I just pushed this little thing in the left corner, okay? These are all the platforms that you can use List Perfectly with, okay? I have already got it on Kidizen, so I'm going to click Mercari and PoshMark, and I'm going to hit copy. You guys, I do this with coffee in one hand, and this is so simple, okay? So as you'll see, it popped open 2 more, what are these, tabs, and it is working its magic. Up here in the corner, it says importing, whatever. So you just give it a second or two. It's working on, there we go, bam. Okay, now, it's not as simple as just clicking post, okay? But it has imported all of my photos, my title. Now, you do have to go in and select like the categories, okay? Let me just show you, flats. Like, so simple, you guys. So simple. And I already took a picture of the weight. Now, let's see. What do I do on here? I'm just looking at my pricing. Whoop. And Kidizen, I always offer free shipping just because that's what people expect on Kidizen. Okay, every platform has its own rules. This is not a video about that. All right, done, you guys. My shoes were just cross-posted on Mercari. Done, the end, bam, okay? Over to PoshMark, it has already uploaded my photos, my title, my description. All I've got to do is select my category. Here we go. Gotta select the brand, my color. Guys, done. So I have just cross-posted my item to 2 other platforms, and it took me, I don't know, a minute, not even a minute. Again, you could have done eBay. Now let's say you want to come back, you know, tomorrow and you want to do it to another platform. Or let's say I am in Kidizen and I can sort my items. This is what I love. You can sort by newest, right, which I am, but then I could go down here and I could increase to 100, whatever, and I can go all the way to like my oldest listing, okay? And let's just pretend my oldest listing are these hunter boots. Guys, I can relist this way too. I just do this and I'm gonna copy it right back to Kidizen. Same thing's gonna happen. It's popping open a Kidizen browser and it's the same process, looks the same. So, bam. Now, don't forget to go back and delete your other item. Now, this is the same thing. Let's say you're like, Amanda, I don't even use Kidizen. You should. I have all my stores below and some coupons for you guys. Let's say I only upload, I start with PoshMark, or I only do PoshMark and eBay, what have you. Okay, so I just went to PoshMark.com. I can go to my closet, and it's going to be the same thing, guys. You're going to see the same, only now it's on the right side. Same thing. You can click this little guy, and I can import from PoshMark to any of these other platforms. It's that simple. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. If I had seen a video of, oh my gosh, that's it, that's how simple it is, I would have gotten List Perfectly months ago. And I tell you this because I spent a couple days ago about 8 hours. It was kind of, I had nothing else to do for the whole day. My real job is also working from home. And I got up in the morning and I sat down and I cross-listed from my Kidizen closet 100 items to my PoshMark closet. And I got 5 sales that day from items I cross-posted, one of them being one of my oldest listings I had in that closet. So guys, it's a must. And even moving forward, so it's $30 a month for the base. I do have a coupon code. I will put it below. It's my shop. It's Prue It Mama, and it's going to save you 30% on your first month. And there are a couple different levels. The base one is fine for someone like me. You can only select one item at a time, which I think is fine. If you do the next level up, you can do more than one at a time. But I will tell you guys, before deciding to get List Perfectly, I went to their website and watched their videos, read all of their tips, and I was still like, huh? Like I still didn't understand it until I saw a screen share similar to what I just showed to you. So if you want my coupon code, it is going to be linked in my description. And I hope this helps you guys. For me, $30 a month, even as a part-time reseller, that is my average cost of what I make on items. That's selling 2 items for free, if you will, for a business expense. And I think it is 100% worth it because now I will be listing all of my items across all of the platforms and having that many more eyes on my products and hopefully making more sales. So have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for watching.